Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving under the hood, or more accurately, under the floor of the brand new Xiaomi YU7 electric car. We are breaking down exactly what type of battery it uses and the advanced safety systems built in to protect you and your ride. Let's get into it. The Xiaomi YU7 is powered by a lithium iron phosphate LFP battery pack developed by BYD using their advanced blade battery technology. LFP, lithium iron phosphate. Capacity, around 82.5 kilowatt hours. Range, up to 550 to 668 kilometers. On the CLTC cycle, depending on trim level. Architecture 800V. Platform, for the Pro version. This means ultra-fast charging in just 15 to 30 minutes. LFP batteries are known for their thermal stability, long cycle life, and non-flammable chemistry, making them one of the safest EV batteries available today. One major safety highlight is the YU7's Intelligent Battery Management System, BMS. It ensures safe operation during fast charging, even under extreme temperatures. Key safety features include active thermal monitoring during charging, automatic current regulation to prevent overheating, real-time cell balancing to maintain performance, overcharge and short-circuit protection. The blade battery is a game-changer. It passed the infamous nail penetration test with no fire or smoke, unlike traditional lithium-ion packs, Safety features of the blade battery: no thermal runaway under extreme conditions, fire-resistant cell design, longer lifespan, over 3,000 charge cycles. The YU7 system can automatically isolate damaged cells and shut down the battery pack to prevent escalation. There's also a high-voltage cutoff system during crashes, leak detection sensors, real-time alerts via the in-car system and Xiaomi app. So that's a full breakdown of the Xiaomi YU7's battery system and safety features. With the blade battery tech, advanced BMS and LFP chemistry, this EV isn't just efficient, it's built with your safety in mind. If you found this helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more EV content like this. See you in the next one.